So I got 2 chairs here. What's going on? So this is an inverted scope.
Okay.
So you're looking from below. And then I just turned on the light. So now it's looking, it's sort of adjusting to the brightness of the light. This is going to enable you to move around, move the stage around. And I brought it into focus decently well already. So yeah, there you go. So you got some stuff there. This it's dehydrating. Okay, so what I might do is go ahead and make you another slide, but you can work with this and try to identify what's in here. I mean, this is pretty serious mass, but do your best, and I'll prep another slide.
Okay. Whoa.
Yeah. So I kind of went through that quickly, but this adjusts the stage, like left and right, up and down, and you can see it appearing there. I think it's just easier to look at the screen.
Yeah.
If you want to change the focus, I would use this inner one. It's sort of the finer changes. Can you see that going?
Yeah.
All right. So I want to get out of your way so you can try your best to identify it.
Okay.
I would start with a cyanobacterial book.
Okay.
Most of these should be cyanobacteria.
Okay.
I'll give you that little
Oh,
hint.
thank you.
Okay, thank you.
So, if you get hung up on something, just let me know. But I'm going to go ahead and prep another slide in case everything really gets messy on there.
Okay.
That section looks okay.
Yeah.
Still hydrated.
Okay.
If somebody asks you questions, it would be in the right-hand side there. So, it's kind of the Google Chrome window that's behind the microscope window. Sorry for the complication. But
No,
it's just
I'm with
this.
you. 10 people watching.
Got it.
Yes, so I just did a test. Nobody said anything back there, but
Okay.
that's okay.
And we know exactly how to answer the questions.
Right,
Well-
because we're both experts.
You'll try your best using the guide.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Good luck.
Thanks.
Okay.
Okay, so
Can you're gonna move it?
I can. Well, how do we zoom in?
I don't know. The focus was on
This?
that side.
What is this? No. Okay, that doesn't do anything. Is it? Hold on. This is how. Ooh.
That's
Okay. I want to zoom it in though, because we need to see those little strands.
those little guys.
So they're filaments. It's a filamentous.
I'm so glad you know that.
I think.
Okay.
So there's that. So definitely cyanobacteria, because cyanobacteria come in the form of filaments.
That definitely looks like what is on what?
Delictospermum.
Exactly. Okay. That seems so right, don't you think?
You just opened it.
Open it to the first page. Okay, wait,
Wait, it says the dominant phytoplankton, genera names in the least, and ideally
more than 3
more than
taxa.
3 different taxa. Oh boy.
Okay. Maybe not. No, I
And
really
capture
think...
photos. Okay, well we need to
And
figure out how to
capture-
zoom it in.
I don't know how to zoom it in. He's gonna come back with a new slide. Okay. Someone in the chat said, what causes the plankton to be that color? The chloroplasts make them green.
You said that we can't really zoom it in.
Oh,
anymore.
great, okay.
But he's gonna preface.
That's really
I was like,
fantastic.
because it's so clumped that we can't really see.
Yeah. I answered the first question, but you can answer the second one just for you. Does the green color fade over time? I don't know. Do you know the answer?
I think
You can Google it.
no. I think like when they start to die.
Oh, I assumed there was sound, so I was just saying it out
Oh,
loud.
you're saying it out
I don't
loud.
know if
Oh.
there's sound. I actually genuinely have no idea if there's sound. You can type it. That seems really right.
It is. I'm pretty sure it goes like brown when they die.
Yeah, you're probably right. I'm a chemist, so. There is sound.
Oh.
Ah!
Nice, thank you.
Thank you.
There is in fact sound.
I love you. Okay.
Yeah, so when they start to die, they start to fade into like a brown.
Yeah,
so
seems
there you
really
go.
normal to me.
All right, we're waiting for our new slide. There is in fact.
Okay, I'm hunting. Scoot around a little. Can you move around?
Yes. So that's up and down. How do you go side to? Oh wait.
Can you like? Yeah.
This is
Yes.
side to
Oh
side.
my god.
It's just like okay.
I'm deep, and that's not right.
I need to pull up the guide that I was looking at earlier because
That. No, that's not right. It's not right either. I think it's just this one. I really do. The lower. What is it?
delictospermum.
Yes, that one.
All right, completely dried out or what? Oh, I think you found some useful.
Yes. I'm like trying to pull up my.
Delictospermum. Sorry.
I think.
We answered questions.
We did.
Nice.
Um,
Yeah, I think that is a reasonable guess. Sometimes there's shorter versions. Yeah, like that picture there looks
Yeah.
Yep.
somewhat similar. What do you think about? It's kind of hard to see. There's some really thin
This
stuff
Oh, like the
around it.
filaments.
Yeah, that would be a.
So that one might be a little bit trickier, but I think there is something else there.
Yeah.
Um,
Hold on, no, that one. I don't want that one.
and I have a new slide if you want to try it, but you got
Sure.
a good clump there.
It's just like hard to like isolate like some of the things and see get them like up close.
This one looks filamentous.
Yeah, what is that?
Microcoleus.
Okay. Yeah, see what it says about like how.
What about amphinizomenon? Amphinizomenon?
Yep.
Yep.
That's
That's what it looks like to me.
well, that's reasonable, I think.
Sweet.
So I think I can't remember if that's one of the cultures I think I gave you too.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, let me
Um,
remember which one.
Well, for her master's work.
Oh.
But,
Actually, I don't know if I have. Maybe I do.
so these have a lot. So you can see there's these short little rings here.
Yes.
That other slide had some like larger clumps going.
Oh.
Oh, you got some questions too.
Well, more. Do these organisms have the ability to move on their own?
What do you all think?
Not really.
Not cyanobacteria because they're like planktonic and they don't have flagella, right?
That's right. Yeah, most cyanobacteria can't. There's a few that kind of glide. But that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
This looks Snowella. It's not right.
Yeah, Snowell is right. Yeah, that's.
What?
Yeah.
I
But
don't know that one.
but I mean, yeah, I mean, you're doing your
Yay.
best at guessing at what it is, right? But I think
saw
think
one that was a
Delictospermum
spiral.
is a good guess with these filaments here.
Mm.
They're just really short ones.
And then there is Snoella as well.
That one I don't know for sure. So yeah, there's less big
I
clumps.
saw one that was spirally like that.
But that one
Fewer
is,
big
like,
clumps on
doesn't
the
have.
slide.
It's not like filamentous like a chain, or is it?
Oh, someone asked us another question.
Uh-oh.
Is there anything that
Getting
causes...
bombarded with questions.
Is there anything that causes them to have that spiral shape?
Oh, I don't know
good
that.
question.
No
What?
shot. I
He
can
wants-
tell you.
he
He's
wants
leaving
that.
away. He's walking away.
Honestly, I don't think we know the full answer to that.
Okay, well, our professor says we don't know, so we don't know. What's the next one? What are... Wait, you moved the chat, and now I can't see it. Where's the mouse? Sorry, can I bring it back? What are the steps you go through to identify the aquatic microbes? I have a book. Maybe you can see it on the chat, I don't know. With a guide to cyanobacteria, and I am looking at the pictures and deciding which one looks the most like it.
Well, there's like different types of aquatic microbes, and they have like certain specific characteristics. So we know that cyanobacteria are filamentous, like what we're seeing here. Those little like strings of cells, it looks like they're like a little pearl necklace or something. So that indicates to us that they are cyanobacteria. And then same with like the kind of hairy looking ones that we saw previously. Just kind of knew that they were
So good.
cyanobacteria.
We're supposed to be taking pictures of these two, I think. I guess we can go back on the YouTube live stream and like take a screenshot.
I forgot about that. Where were these microbes harvested?
It says it on our little thing. Maynard Pond. So, yeah. I think there was more on
Oh yeah.
In Carrie. By... Oh.
Wait, no.
Yeah.
It just says drone obtain images.
No, I swear he said we got these from me.
I don't know. He has like all kinds of stuff. How long are we supposed to be in here?
I don't know, 10 minutes?
Did we identify 3? Hold on, let's see if we can see anything else.
We had the Delictospernum and the possible Snoella and then the hairy one that you found. So that's 3.
Yeah. Well, no, that's nothing. Those are just like pieces of Delictospernum. Well, okay.
I liked the mask better. That was
Yeah, I
more fun.
kind of did too, and we were complaining about it. Oopsie. Okay, well.
Whoa, what's that?
That's just like, I don't know. Oh,
There's so many.
I got so many questions.
Are there multiple different types? Yes, there's several.
Yep.
This one is the Delictospernum. And then we had the more filamentous one on our last slide that got taken away from us.
Okay. Should we?
Are we calling it? Do you feel like we have enough? Is this recorded? Can I go back and take a picture? I think it is.
Yes.
Because I didn't take pictures. Wait, okay. Identify plankton. Using the scale bars. Wait a second. How big are they?
Estimate for size. Oh.
What scale bars? Be honest. Oh, 5.
You can 5 micrometers, so it's like,
Probably about 10 micrometers.
and then the Infinizomidon.
That was big.
That
It was probably
yeah, but it was a
20 to
big
50.
like it was a big colony, so yeah.
And then answer the. Oh, we did so many question answering.
Yeah,
so
we're gonna leave the rest of the questions to the next group.
Yeah,
Bye.
bye.
All right, we're getting some more sample going here.
Oh, this
Audience.
That's a really nice. Really nice scope.
Thanks. Yeah. So inverted scope. I'm gonna kind of zoom around here just real quick for the sake of time. Let's see. Might be too dried out. I'm gonna flip over here. Yeah, I can see that there were some cells and they got kind of toasted.
It was a bit tricky to tell from the just from looking through the stereoscope alone there pretty quickly, but it looks like we might have some clumps of microcystis in there. So.
Yeah, let's see if we can. Let's get a fresher slide for you guys, okay? If you want, you can look at one or or just sit and get orientated in the guidebooks. But I'll be right back.
Sounds good.
You probably know more about identifying for the allergy more than I do. I mean, I know like a diatom from a desmid, the like where the names and everything goes, or maybe cyanobacteria. That's maybe you might know more than I do.
It depends for sure.
Yeah.
There's some that I know pretty well, and there's others that I'm just not nearly as familiar with. So it's kind of a bit of a learning curve overall with that. But
I know if I saw a bacillara in here, that like the ones that like slide,
Yeah,
I know
yeah.
that would be the one to isolate.
now
Those
that
ones
would
are the
be
good
awesome.
ones.
Oh yeah.
I love seeing those. I got one sample. I have like a polluted river near my house, and
Okay.
like I got one sample, tons. Like you, I mean, when I mean like they were like the colonies were so long. I mean like when they were branching from substrate, I mean like they were really big.
That's all right.
It was cool. I have pictures too if you want to see them.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah,
That'd be
I
awesome.
wish I got videos of it, but they're really big bacillara.
All right, so
You mentioned when you say polluted, what did you mean by that? It's just eutrophic, or
Well, I know the Haw River has just like a
So-
history of pollution. But
gotcha.
there's something in there. Some different cells.
that's really cool.
So, sorry, I'm gonna zoom in. Shouldn't have to. We are at 20x. Just trying to see if we could get
Something.
something a little bit bigger.
Yeah, I know there's something larger, a little bit down. Yeah, that's probably just gump with stuff.
Well, there may be some clumps, some cell clumps that look like that for sure. So there's some cyanobacteria.
That's what I'm seeing is single cells, which
There
is
you go. You
interesting.
got some. So we're at least close to the focal plane here. So you can adjust your position using this portion of the scope. It'll shift the stage around.
Gotcha.
So if you use that to move around, we can step it up in terms of magnification if you want.
Okay.
But you gotta let me know about that, so I'll help you kind of get that situated. There are some questions here from people in this side. Aerosol bacteria gram negative or gram positive. If you guys know that. We haven't specifically talked about that.
Yeah, so Taylor, they don't fall into the strictest classification there in terms of gram negative or positive, in that they don't, whenever you're actually running a gram stain on them, you tend to get somewhat inconclusive results. However, they do tend to be more gram negative, especially because they
gram
possess
negative,
lipopolysaccharides.
For sure, they're gram negative. Yeah. So, but you guys go for it with the slide. It's the slide. Look through different samples, and if you want to kick it up with the magnification, I can come back in and help. Okay.
Sounds good. Thank you.
All right.
Let's see. We do have a question of what we're possibly looking at right now.
Yeah. So I'm not totally sure. For this, it kind of reminds me. It could be like a clump of cells, and then you have it looks like some sort of extracellular matrix out there, but Yeah, I was gonna say that's probably the most likely bet there, but I'm not sure. The pigments to me look awful yellow-green for
Yeah.
cyanobacteria, but they could still be cyanobacteria. Do you want to maybe kind of look around a little bit more and just see if we
Yeah.
can find something
See
a bit
some-
more?
Larger. We can get anything a little bit bigger.
I feel like there's like I know we're like about at the focal point, but it feels like there's something just out of focus there too. Which
Yeah.
is kind of interesting.
We can just scan and see what we
So-
get.
I'm kind of surprised because we definitely saw
A lot.
larger clumps of, which is why I'm thinking maybe we're a bit out of focus, unless this is some sort of debris.
We can always change the objective if you want.
Mm-hmm. Okay, we have another question in the chat here, it looks like, from Alyssa Price. What color should cyanobacteria be? The short answer is it's variable. All cyanobacteria do contain chlorophyll, so you do tend to get a greenish color. However, most of them also contain a pigment called phycocyanin, which is a bluish color. And so you tend to often get cyanobacteria getting this sort of dull blue-green color. And indeed, in the past, they actually were known as blue-green algae. Great question. Thanks for asking. There's looks like another one. Anjali says, do all cyanobacteria live in colonies?
No.
Not
No.
all of them. Yeah.
No. Definitely variable.
Mm-hmm.
Especially with cyanobacteria. I would say, like, you know, I mean, they do. I would say more once you get, like, larger guys. Like, you know, like, anytime your diatoms are just, there, a lot of them are colony forming. But cyanobacteria, I know that can depend, right?
Oh,
you know,
yeah.
like, so that they, like, if you got those, like, ones right on the top, some of them do form, like, the biofilms and everything, of course.
There
we go. Yeah, that's the spot.
That's what, yeah. So, to me, it kind of reminds me of microcystis. However, the cells are a little further apart, and that usually is some way that you can distinguish between some of the species there. So, if we take a look, let me see if I can find in the field guide here the microcystis real quick. But microcystis is actually a fantastic example of cyanobacteria that do live in these loosely associated colonies. And they are of particular interest because sometimes they can be so-called cyanotoxic strains, meaning that they produce these, they can produce cyanotoxins, most notably microcystin, which is a known hepatotoxin or liver toxin. Let's see if I can find it.
Yeah, it's probably.
In like the back, yeah.
I think there's like larger names right before the index. I know it's bibliography. But yeah. I don't know. I probably doesn't give page number there though. I mean, it might.
Yeah, it looks like it kind of. That's okay. We can look it up this way. Lingvia microcoleus. That's another fun one. Yeah,
Pretty
doing
good.
good. Yeah, so
Oh,
I
yeah.
definitely say that's microcystis of some form. What I can't remember is, like I said, there are some colonies here that are more closely associated, and that can be one way you can tell different species apart. But this is a much more loosely associated group of cells, which makes me think, yeah, we might not be able to
So-
identify it beyond the genus level.
So let's step it up one more to of course, yeah, okay. Trying not to lose what you guys just had.
All good.
Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So let's see what you think. If you think that still is microcystis like, or maybe it's some other.
I mean, I don't know, because it is very, like, they're very, like, farther apart.
And sorry, you know what we need to do too is actually adjust this real quick for the scale bar. So now the scale bar. So that's, you see what 10.
Gotcha. So
Sorry.
it's
They
probably
do have these different arrangements, though, like you were saying, where some of them can have like dense little mini clusters, for lack of a better term.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I will say yes. They're saying it's got like small round cells scattered throughout the mucilage of irregularly shaped colonies, and they're often darkened by abundant aerotopes. I'm not sure if I'm really seeing like the aerotopes, but I am seeing kind of the subcellular sort of like laminations there that you can sometimes see with microcystis.
Seems good.
So
I'm gonna cycle you guys out here in a few minutes. Sorry to press.
No, you're all good.
So
Okay.
try to gather as much info or screenshot pictures or.
Start taking pictures.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is there any way that you could grab a picture real quick?
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. I honestly think that based on what we saw too, even through the stereoscope, I think that's gonna be kind of our dominant kind of player in this enrichment.
We do have a new question: how being loosely associated can benefit the microcystis. So that is a good question. I don't know.
I am not totally sure in terms of like if there's an established answer to that, but what I do know is that being in these loosely associated colonies that are kind of clumped together with this extracellular matrix, you can kind of see a little bit here. It looks a little kind of gooey on the margins there. That actually does help prevent the cells from drying out, and indeed I've had some instances where the cells are drying out and the water has dried out around the cells and the cells have been fine because they have this sort of like gelatinous matrix surrounding them. So I would imagine that kind of provides some benefit, and it does give them as well, I would think, some sort of degree of spatial kind of separation there. So again, you're kind of able to carve out a very specific niche, this sort of micro community, if you will.
Yeah.
Which I think probably is going to help protect from, say, like predation, that sort of thing. Just having distance between the cells can be very, very useful, since at the end of the day, the water is almost like, at this scale, it's almost like syrup.
Yeah, so
Things can't move super, super well.
being able to stay together can definitely help each other.
I totally agree.
Yeah, it looks definitely different. Like the size difference is definitely, if you would say like that's 10, so it's a little bit close. But if you go back down, the other guys are a little bit smaller.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, they might be similar, but it may just be because it's just singled out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I mean, as I'm looking at that, it could be a bit bigger, but I'm not totally sure. I'm kind of just going to fly around a little bit just to see if we can find something a bit distinct. I mean, at the end of the day, when I'm looking here, I'm seeing this is the main morphology here.
Yeah.
So
We've yet to see something inherently more different. What was that? Yeah. Same.
I think, yeah, it might be the start of another colony or something else. What's interesting here, too, is I'm kind of seeing like where I have the scale bars here. I'm kind of seeing almost this sense of like maybe cells that were previously there and they've just lysed or something like that. You're just seeing cellular debris or remnants. Jean-Marie Small says, what are some characteristics of cyanobacteria? Well, it's a pretty broad question there, but cyanobacteria in general, I should say all cyanobacteria, they are prokaryotes, so they lack a nucleus. Some of them do have some degree of internal compartment. For some specialized organelles, I know that does kind of differ from other bacteria. The other interesting thing about them is that they are all photosynthetic, so they can all. There we go. There's a much more closely associated.
Yeah. So maybe the association for these can vary.
It might be able to. Do you want to maybe take?
out?
Okay.
Take one.
I was gonna say if you can just take one picture of this quick. We were pretty much only seeing this one morphology here.
Okay.
I don't know.
It could be that it's dominating. Yeah,
Okay.
but very believable that it could be microcystis for sure.
Yeah. I think if we had more time, we might be able to find some other players, but I think in the interest of time, obviously.
Yeah,
So.
I mean, you definitely can try to isolate more,
Okay.
you know, and something might come up in your isolation effort too.
Absolutely. Should be fun. Well, thank you so much.
All right.
Sorry, thank you.
Let's get 6 onto here. Come on in. Sorry, I was trying to get it. Trying to get things into focus again for you.
Oh wow, that is a lot of chats.
Here's like some little cell by the edge of the slide, technically. See if it, that little one there. So should be pretty good and into focus. And then let me show you a couple of things here. I can make this screen bigger. I'm not sure why it's so small right now. There we go. So this will adjust the stage right here on the right. So you can go left and right, or up and down, left and right. So it's just kind of zooming around like, oh, so see you got something interesting here, kind of looks like cyanobacteria possibly. And then this will adjust your magnification. I would just go with the fine tuning. You shouldn't have to go too far away. And then on the right, people are asking questions about something, so they can hear you, they can hear us talking, so you can answer them that way. Guidebooks here. We have the online sources too if you wanted to pull it up on your phone. But
Okay.
Yeah.
yeah,
Okay.
I'll let you
Thank
get
you.
to it. Yep.
Let me pull up that guide he has online.
Yeah.
Look at the drive.
Magnification.
Okay.
Okay. Cool. Well, we could start with this.
Yeah,
this
that
guy right here.
interesting little
I'm gonna
interesting
take
piece there.
pictures of both this and
Okay.
I guess I could try to get them on the
Activities,
microphone
print
or
to
microscope too.
stream. Cool. I wonder if these are like fresh or salt.
This is, I think, definitely fresh. I'm gonna say this is the microcystis. Let's see.
Well, that kind of looks like her, doesn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah, you're right.
I think so.
Microcystis. Yeah. Note almost spherical cells. Yeah, just pretty sphere. Often in doubles. Yep,
Yeah.
doublet's alright. Within a
Since we-
gelatinous matrix.
Like there's like this little
Yeah.
like brown part about it.
Let's see.
I wonder why it's not like really full in there.
I know.
Anyways, I don't know.
It's page 94. I don't know if you want to look at. Ooh. No, it doesn't look like that one.
Trigeminal
Yeah, I hate that it's not colored, but it kind of looks like that one.
Yeah. And they can be like brownish to greenish.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like that's similar. I can try to get a picture.
Yes. Is this what he wants from the assignment? The pictures?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, this is the first
Capture
page,
photos
right?
of
Okay.
phytoplankton using your phone. Oh, never mind. I already got that.
Yes, capture photos of the phytoplankton. Okay. The first one is, how do you spell that? Micro. Cystis. S-Y-S-T-I-S. Cystis. A-U-A-E.
I don't know for sure about that part of it, but like I feel like you can definitely change that later.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. All right. Should we start moving it around?
Yeah, we can.
Just keeping. And I took a picture of
Okay.
the scale bar here so that we can put those in later too. Closer to if you want.
Yes, no, this is fine. I know, right? She's unhappy. Okay. Let's see what else we can find. Hello? Anybody in here? Interested in this one?
Yeah.
Oh god. Oh, hello.
What is that?
Weird. That looks strange.
It looks like nothing, but also
Yeah, I don't know.
Does the slide like shows a lot of? Oh yeah.
Oh,
Try going
weird speckles
over
on it.
that way on the thing.
On the right side?
Yeah. I think it's like inverted.
Yeah, it is.
Just so annoying.
To the right.
Oh, different
I
ones.
feel like
those
we
are-
saw this already.
Yeah, I think those are the same, like microcystis.
Yeah, it's another one. You can take a picture if you want to.
We'll
Here,
take a
maybe
picture.
put it next to the
Oh yeah.
thing. Boom.
Perfect.
Okay. To the right again.
Oh wait.
I think this is like a little air water droplet or something.
Yeah.
Oh, another one. Nope. Yeah. Another one. Yeah. You're pretty dominant. Okay. Another one.
Something else.
I know, right?
What is that? Or I guess
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
change the thing to that maybe.
Oh.
Oh, it's moving.
It's moving. She's shy. What? No, you get over here. I'm not done with you. Oh my god. The speed.
I think that one's the one we started with.
I think so too, but like I don't like.
Yeah, I
Oh.
know. There's two of them.
There's two of them. He does not. He's camera shy.
Let's see if there's any on it.
Yeah. What is that? Better picture.
Like it might be this, like the little spheres around it.
Right.
I don't know. I'm gonna write question mark.
Yeah. Definitely record it too if you can. It's interesting to see the way how they're just moving around and stuff.
Yeah.
Trying to make it really clear. This is the clearest I can go, but it's an interesting little fella.
Oh, keeps jumping. I don't know why.
Well, we found another one though. I guess we'll figure it out later what it could be.
Yeah.
And if I do,
Why is there nothing in this?
it's just more. Am I going to the right? I am going to the right. It's another microcystis, I think.
Yeah.
It looks like another
They look
one.
the
Yeah.
same.
Oh.
Oh, sorry.
going to the right? See, I'm going to the right. Another one. Another one of those weird. Is this one camera shy? No. Just a little bit. Another one of those. Another one of these. Oh, look at it moving around. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
There's like nothing else in this.
no, not much.
When you look in the lens, are they like, is the screen like bigger at all?
Oh my god, it's awful. It is even smaller. The thing
Oh,
is, there
okay.
is a lot of stuff everywhere, actually. It's a little weird. Here, take a look at it. See how there's stuff in there, but it's kind of hard to see it?
Why is it not like open? What the heck? Can't like see anything. Yeah. You might have like the lens in a weird like setting. Oh no, that's not. That's not anything. It's so odd.
Do you want me to...
Well, guys, I think we have microsystems.
Yeah, right?
With our sample. Oh, that's a
Yeah.
very good one. I don't think we've gotten that one.
Make it prettier for you. Good enough.
And I'll get it.
That one down there is a little odd to me.
Yeah, I just like I can't
don't-
tell if that's like just something on a slide or if it's like actually.
I don't know either. It's not moving. It's not green either.
Okay, should we answer someone's question? There's a lot of questions in here.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I mean,
What
it's
color
to
should
the...
bacteria be? Cyanobacteria?
It can be.
Let's see.
How's it going in here? People asking tons of questions.
Yeah, we've only really found
Finding a
what
lot
we
of
think
these.
is microcystis or some type
Gotcha.
of microcystis.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
But we haven't
Not
really
really.
found anything else.
No.
Yeah.
It could be dominated by that.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So.
Yeah, cool. Well, I'll probably prep the next group.
Okay.
Okay.
We're just answering
Take
this
some-
one
I
question.
think I mentioned snap some pictures,
Yeah.
so you have that for reference.
Yep.
This will get saved, this live stream too, so you can go back and watch it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
Thanks.
I'm also gonna take it.
Yeah.
Actually, at that one. Should we say rearrange of different colors, making from like brown to green?
Could they be red too?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Golden almost? Or maybe I'm mixing up with something else. Because I remember I saw like a sheet of it and it looked beautiful.
Yeah.
I just have terrible service in here.
Oh yeah, I know.
Darn. I literally just looked over it yesterday. Come on. Ah, here we go. Like it
Oh,
can be
yeah.
golden, red, green. Oh no, please, no. Yeah. It could even be like this vomit green.
Yeah. Vomit green.
Vomit green.
Bright lime green.
Yeah.
Picture of this too.
Poopy brown. Well, basically brown.
Yeah. Is there any other ones that you want to answer?
I'm not sure. I don't know how they were harvested. We weren't the ones that did it. I don't know.
Probably harvested them. grabbing a bottle of water. Probably. I think that's what they're asking. Oh.
What?
You
see some?
There was like a dark impression. Maybe. Oh wait, that. What's that? It's probably something on the screen. Oh, yeah.
I think it's
One of
another
those
one.
again?
It's one of those weird looking things, yeah. Oh, what is this though? Hold on. Never mind, it's just more of those things. My goodness. Oh, think of this.
All right, we're gonna switch you all
Oh,
out.
that's weird.
Okay.
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 We're only finding one thing this time.
That's all right. We found something. All right, I'm just gonna try to get this into focus and then let you all take over pretty much. You might get some questions there in the chat window here on the right,
Mm-hmm.
but I'll cover just a couple of things with the scope for you and then pretty much just let you work at it. All right, so at least found something that is in focus here, and there we go. So there's some guidebooks here.
Yeah.
I'd probably start with the cyanobacteria. The time's a little bit limited, but you can take photos of this
Yeah.
on your phone. The live stream will also stay up here, so you actually can go back and look at it later. How to navigate the scope. Really, just two things you should adjust. You can move the stage using this kind of arm, and it'll go up or down, left or right. And then this adjusts the focus. You should really just do the fine tinkering there.
Okay.
All right. That's it. I want to get out of the way and let you have the full time. Explore around in there.
Right. Okay. Let's open up the book. Yeah. I don't. Okay. Sure. Okay, it says organelles in cell. Me neither. Yeah. Oh, wait, I remember how to use these things. Okay. Six. Okay, cells and linear chains. There are some of those.
Yeah.
Okay. Then lines, filaments at large, non-pigmented cells. What? There's pigment in there.
Yeah.
Oh, we have to flip it all the way over. Okay. 2. Lines 110 and 146. Okay, 1. What?
greater than 10 cells long? I would say yes.
Yeah. They're a little clumped together.
Yeah.
But
Are you looking at the thing he sent us?
yeah, I'm looking.
Yeah.
Should I look at this one? Or
Yeah.
okay. Because I know there's two other ones. It's not that. Because those are like.
Mm-mm.
Oh. It looks like that, kind of.
Yeah.
What is this?
And then the other one looks like this. See?
yeah. Okay.
How do I know which one each is?
Oh. Cyanobacteria. Is that what it is?
That doesn't look in like a line though. It's just like
Yeah, it's a
a
small
clump.
one.
Let me keep flipping through my. There's the line.
That's like the other stuff, right? Right.
Oh.
Oh, that's it.
Wait. That's like too dark. Just keep going.
Is that just like the microscope, like the picture though, or?
Okay, it's definitely not in patches.
Should I like move it around maybe?
Sure.
How do I move it up? Left, right. Oh, this one.
Ooh, could you finally, like, where's the fine adjustment?
Oh, this.
Should we see if we can focus?
Am I doing it?
It's getting blurrier.
Yeah. Okay. Do you want me to focus on that smaller one?
Or more like right there. Our viewers have dropped.
Our we're boring. Do you want to try it?
No, it's not that big a deal. We can just guess.
I'm like really messing with it now.
Okay.
Is there anything else around here? No.
Okay, so we're gonna roll with.
That's about it.
This looks like. What's his name? Let me just take a picture of this page because we have. We just take pictures of both, don't we?
Oh, you're right. We do.
This is the stringy one.
Is that the other one?
Wait, I think it is. What is it?
Looks like you meet that. I'm so bad at pronouncing the scientific names.
That's
Yeah, I feel like that's definitely it. 'Cause it said
100. Okay.
shades of brown or green, so.
Here we go. I found the page for it.
Yay! I'll screenshot this to remember.
Okay.
Cool.
Perfect. Do we have to answer a question?
Oh, in the chat?
Yeah.
I don't think anyone's asked a new one.
They have not. It says answer questions from people in the live chat. Either take a photo of one question that you answered or write out. Question answer combination when you submit your answers. Wait, I didn't put the dominant photo. Okay. Your estimate size.
Oh, that's fine.
Oh, we lost another viewer.
We lost another one? Wait, where's the view count? Oh! Chat rate 0. Perfect.
Okay. The circle. I'm just writing the circle. How big do we think that one is? Wait, we have 8 minutes left in class. Okay.
I don't know.
I'd go with like 5.
5 what?
Micrometers?
Like across or?
Oh, just like one of those.
Oh, just one of those?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. Maybe like 4 to 5.
Oh?
Oh my gosh, hello. Okay.
Oh?
Well.
The strand. We'll go with. Let's go 20.
Sounds good.
Okay, great. We got our things. We got this.
Let me write this down.
Yeah. I think we're
Where is this?
good.
Okay.
I just did that. I'll send you the pictures of the books that I took.
Okay. And then I'm still not entirely sure like what is due.
I don't think anything is due today.
Yeah, it's like stuff due next week.
Yeah. Oh, we've lost another viewer.
Sorry guys. We're so boring. Okay. Should we get out?
Yeah, I feel like we should. Since there's 5 minutes left, and we still have to get rid of all of our stuff.
Let's see if the lab. 3 concurrent viewers. Too many questions they've answered.
All right, number 7. So you can see what they got there. Borrow this. There's a little chat window on the right. Some people might ask some questions while you're looking. But if not, that's not a big deal either. So what I'm trying to do is just make sure this is in focus before kind of turn you loose. So let's see if I can find something kind of quick. That's a little bit of like debris. Let's see. So I'm gonna go all the way over here, and alright, this is the edge of the slide.
Okay.
It's kind of a helpful reference point. Let's see if we can find something. I'm gonna go this way. That looks cool. That might actually be debris now that I look at it.
Yeah.
Do you mind if I scoot right where you are? I'm sorry. I'm just gonna. Just because we're short on time, I apologize. Try to find the focal plane for you real fast. I can see a bunch of small stuff, which might not be the most exciting to you, but here's an example. Oh, this one's actually kind of cool. Okay, so I'm gonna up the magnification just a little bit so we can see more details. Keep it as is though. You don't change it. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get this into focus because. Wow, that's pretty far away. That's interesting. So. It's going to be hard to see. So this is actually an interesting cyanobacterium. I'll go ahead and tell you that.
Just long, like the rod one?
Yeah, but it has this very unique cell there. So that's actually called a heterocyst.
Mm-hmm.
So I would start there. You can start looking around more. It does look kind of stressed because there's not a whole lot of pigmentation in there.
Yeah.
But you might check out the cyanobacterial guidebook there. But a hint, that is definitely a cyanobacterium. And it has that unique shape. If you want to look for other things or maybe change the focus, you can change the focus with this right here. It's just use the finer tuning. You shouldn't have to go too much off from that focal point, and then this adjusts the stage, turning this and turning this up and down, left and right. All right, I'll get out the way now.
Thank you.
Yep.
Not this. These are like little like curly ones. Heterocyst. Could be one of these. Yeah, it is definitely one of those. I think. It's not that one. Maybe one of those actually. Yeah, definitely one of these. Yeah. There's a.
Wait, can I see?
This one has like the same kind of like truncated head shape. So it wants us to note the magnification. So we're on a compound lens. I don't know if we can see the magnification used.
I guess we can note this because before it was at 5.
Is it 10 micrometer scale? So I'll just strike that as a 10. This one is going to be the taxa is Cylindrospermopsis.
No, sorry. Thank you.
So you can move around, right?
Yeah, I think over here.
On the slide. Or is that just a focus?
I think we can move on the slide too. Do you want to take a picture? Should I move it?
Yeah. Let's see what else we can see. Bunch of breeze, right? Go up from there a little bit.
Dirty pond.
Yeah. We all leaving? I don't know. He did say that we didn't really have much on here. You go right. If you go back, try to zoom in on like something like this, so you can focus it more. You said don't touch the scale, but.
I feel like it's not gonna focus much more than that.
Yeah. Man, this just all looks like debris. I don't really know what to.
Maybe it'll be okay if we just get one.
I guess so.
Proof of debris, I guess.
Yeah.
We have to answer a question also.
About this. Using scale bars or tools associated with the Nikon software, what is your estimate of size for these phytoplankton? So we're on a 10 micrometer scale, and the size of them is going to be the actual size divided by the scale bar size. So if we go back to that other one, it was about like this long.
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to say that's like what, 2.5, 3 inches? 3 inches?
Yeah.
So 3 inches, which is equal to how many centimeters? It's 2.58 centimeters per inch. Yeah, so 3 times 2.58, 7.4 centimeters. And then the scale bar equals 10 micrometers equals and then you do what you do is I'm pretty sure you do the
Do you just convert centimeters to micro?
no, I think you divide the scale bar size by the measured size. So you do definitely not actually. I forget what you do. But I think ask him something.
Yeah.
we need our number 8? Actually, it's over right in front of the samples, at the end of the table right there. The light's on, right? Yeah, it's on. Am I not saying anything? Oh, it's because I just switch this to the eye. Oh, there's like a huge air bubble, isn't there?
Yeah, we had some air bubbles.
Something. Oh, here we go. Is there something on the lens? It's
You're not
very.
able to see anything?
Oh, there's a lot of dirt up here. That's what is like clouding it. That's weird. I'm not seeing too much right now, no. But also they're gonna be really small. I'm gonna get over to the edge and try and focus on the. Oh, here's something actually. Nope, that's like dirt.
If you want to, you can leave it on the camera and then we can like search it around on here.
Yeah.
So we gotta take pictures too. Oh yeah,
It's gotta focus. There we go. Have there's something right there.
scroll, move it over so that that's
You can draw.
away.
You should be able to so this here. Annotate and measure. Should be able to just do 2 points. Yeah.
Take a picture.
There's 3 people watching.
So
think.
guys, welcome to the vlog.
I'll keep moving it around, see if we can.
Yeah.
I forgot there was people watching. I've just been looking through the microscope. It's that. It just.
Could just be look almost like debris.
Yeah, just random debris. Possibly.
How do we clear this?
Click the mouse, so you're on like your mouse again, and then you should just be able to like remove it. Cancel. Yeah, there you go. Oh, we're on like the edge. Sorry, I missed something.
Oh, just kidding.
I'm gonna move us very far back to like the center. Okay, now we're really far away from where we just were. here. I'm in like the center of the slide, and there's not much. Very. Okay, the computer's going. There we go. Now we're focused on a different like level. That's so weird. There's like nothing in the middle of the slide. It all got pushed to the edge. So I'm gonna go to the opposite edge from where we just were.
Works.
Adjust the focus. There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, our sample, I mean, when we looked in the dissection microscope, it didn't have very much, so I guess it makes sense that.
Yeah, there wasn't very much when I was extracting.
So you're just like, I don't even know what that is.
Probably just dust.
Yeah, so it's just kind of particles. That might be.
Nope.
No, I think we're potentially focused on the wrong level here. Let me really drastically change the zoom, see what happens. No, go back. Now let's go. Oh, oh. Hmm. I don't know what that is. It might just be debris.
Yeah. This doesn't follow any kind of shape pattern. Go back.
Oh, what is the?
I believe it's a stick.
That is a stick. How do we not see that? Oh, I guess no, I can see it. That's interesting. Well,
Let's measure.
we can zoom out if we want, I think, to get to the
15
in
micrometers long.
diameter.
It's crazy. Not what we're looking for.
Kind of lose focus as we go to the center. I don't know why.
Probably them bubbles.
Yeah. There we go. The water level just changes, I guess. Like it might be piled up in the center, so it's like the focus isn't at the same level.
Nah.
It could be something, actually.
Yeah. It could be.
We can just take a picture anyways, because we need to, I guess we should have a few photos. It's
I
hard,
got one so far.
yeah, it's hard to find stuff. Just keep moving along. I don't think that's anything.
Oh, go down. I thought I saw.
Even that.
Nah, it just looks like debris. No, possibly.
It's as focused as it gets. I don't know. We could try. This should work. Trying the. This is the UV light.
Nice.
See if this will. So the blue is just the filter, but once the light shines through it, it should. There we go. Excite any bacteria. There's cyanobacteria usually. That's what focuses. Works a lot better in the dark because all the ambient light that's just kind of hitting it,
Yeah.
it just kind of prevents it from That's why they have the curtains in here, I believe.
And sometimes because Garrett does like light sensitive experiments.
Yeah, that's cool. It's just like, I feel like we're focused on the glass. Like these little indents, I believe, are actually just the glass,
Yeah.
or maybe the covers. The
Like
cover
dust
slip.
particles, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me just see if we can find that original.
I can go back to that area where there was a bunch before. That's right here.
I just, yeah.
This is where there was some. It's like the edge of the slip. Go up some. Let me fix the focus.
I'll go back up.
Here.
A little more. I'm just kidding.
Might just be debris.
Yeah. Maybe. Nah, that also just looks like some plant debris.
I feel like these are too big to be. They're not cyanobacteria. Like the
Yeah.
stuff here would be like plankton, phytoplankton.
That could be one.
Could be. I don't know what they would be.
Looks like what we were almost seeing earlier. Take a measurement. Should I just do across?
Yeah, just do like from there to. That's what I usually do, like diagonal if it's a weird shape like that. How many photos do we need? Do you know?
I'm sure 3 is enough.
Think so.
Yeah, it was like within a 10-minute time period.
Okay. Yeah, all of it's just debris. We can just
Yeah.
like.
I'm
Note,
sure we're good to go.
okay. We can just note that in our answer. I mean,
Yeah.
then there was a lot of debris and a lot of. Is there a way to end stream?